Miami startup just put a street-legal, emotion-displaying robot car on sale for $15,000. And that's only the beginning of today's robotics headlines. Welcome to AI News in a Minute, brought to you by Tavis, the future of interactive video. I'm Jerome W. DeWald. This is Saturday, July 18th, 2026. In robotics news today, Miami startup Chip Motors just unveiled a street-legal robot car called Chip, and it starts at just $15,000. It tops out at 25 mph, delivers up to 100 miles of range, and features multiple cameras, radar, and an emotional LED display. This is positioning itself as the first mass-market American robot car. Also from Nvidia, the chipmaker is partnering with Japan's top robotics firms, including Fanuc, Yaskawa, Fujitsu, and Kawasaki Heavy Industries. The goal is to build industrial robots that respond to verbal commands using physical AI and digital twins. Nvidia is backing the push with a commitment of 27,500 chips. Jensen Huang brokered this personally. In robotics news, Walden Robotics just came out of stealth with $300 million in backing from Toyota, Nvidia, Boeing, and Samsung Ventures. What sets them apart? Their general-purpose humanoid robots aren't just in demo mode. They're already doing real production work on an active Toyota factory floor. That's a significant proof-of-concept milestone for the industry. Also from Hyundai, South Korean auto workers have launched what is being called the car industry's first ever factory strike, triggered explicitly by humanoid robot deployment plans. The workers are responding to Hyundai's plan to deploy Boston Dynamics Atlas robots at its Metaplant America EV factory near Savannah, Georgia. The human-robot workforce conflict just got very real. In autonomous vehicle news, Tesla has officially launched its unsupervised robotaxi service in Miami. No safety driver, no monitor, just camera-only full self-driving. The service spans a suburban corridor from Coral Gables to Doral. This is a direct challenge to Waymo's sensor-heavy approach, and it signals Tesla is ready to compete in the commercial robotaxi market. That was your AI News in a Minute with Jerome W. DeWald. Stay ahead in the AI race. Leave your thoughts about the $15,000 robot car era in the comments. Give this video a like, and hit subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's AI News in a Minute